Joko Widodo. Joko Widodo, commonly known as Jokowi, served as the President of Indonesia from 2014 to 2019, 2019 to 2024, and is currently serving his second term. He is a prominent figure known for his humble background and commitment to addressing the needs of Indonesian people. Jokowi's presidency was characterized by his strong focus on infrastructure development, economic reforms, and social welfare programs. He recognized the crucial role of infrastructure in driving economic growth and worked tirelessly to improve transportation networks, expand access to electricity, and enhance connectivity across the country's vast archipelago. Under his leadership, Jokowi has implemented various initiatives to promote inclusive and equitable development. He prioritizes social welfare programs to alleviate poverty, enhance healthcare services, and improve access to quality education. Jokowi emphasized the importance of digital literacy, entrepreneurship, and vocational training to empower Indonesian youth and create a skilled workforce for the future. Jokowi's administration was marked by its efforts to combat corruption and improve governance. He sought to enhance transparency and accountability in the public sector, making strides in streamlining bureaucracy, and promoting good governance practices. As a leader, Jokowi demonstrated a hands-on approach by frequently visiting different regions of Indonesia, engaging with local communities, and understanding their needs first. His down-to-earth persona and ability to connect with people from various backgrounds endeared him to many Indonesians. Internationally, Jokowi played an active role in regional and global affairs. He promoted Indonesia's position as a key player in Southeast Asia and advocated stronger regional cooperation. Jokowi also worked to strengthen bilateral relations with other countries, particularly in trade and investment, and actively represented Indonesia on the world stage. Overall, Joko Widodo's presidency has been characterized by his dedication to improving the lives of Indonesian people, promoting inclusive development, and advancing Indonesia's role in the global arena. His commitment to infrastructure development, social welfare, and good governance has had a lasting impact on the nation's progress and has solidified his position as a respected leader both domestically and internationally. Did you know? Joko Widodo once said,
"The building blocks of a better future are education. Let's make educational investments for our kids." Our society cannot tolerate corruption. We must never give up the struggle. Our economy is based mostly on agriculture. Let's encourage our farmers and raise agricultural output. Investing in renewable energy benefits our long-term economic prosperity as well as the environment. To remain competitive in the global market, we must embrace innovation and technology. Jobs and economic growth may both be boosted by tourism. Let's spread the word about our stunning nation. Our top priority is public health. All of our residents must have access to high-quality healthcare. For future generations, we must safeguard the environment and maintain our natural resources. Being poor is not a given. We can end poverty via empowerment and inclusive policy. A caring society is built on principles of empathy and compassion. Investing in human capital is essential for the prosperity of our country. We must encourage entrepreneurship and provide a climate where firms may prosper. In the digital age, being literate in technology is crucial. Let's provide our folks the tools they need. The achievement of gender equality and inclusive development depends on the empowerment of women. We must bolster our national defense and make sure that our citizens are safe and secure. Our future lies with the young. Let's make investments in their opportunity, education, and skills. To alleviate inequality, the infrastructural gap between urban and rural communities must be closed. Innovation drives progress. Let's encourage an innovation-focused culture in our society. The foundation of a harmonious society is social fairness. We must encourage openness and good governance at all levels of government. Decentralization is essential for an efficient government and strengthening of local communities. Skilled workforce creation requires investment in vocational education and skills training. We must encourage acceptance of difference, diversity, and respect for all racial and religious groups. Affordable and decent housing is fundamental. Let's try to make housing available to everyone. Investing in infrastructure not only increases connectivity and spurs economic growth, but it also produces employment. To promote economic development and cultural preservation, we must fully utilize the potential of our creative industries. Development that is inclusive and sustainable should be our guiding philosophy. We must increase our capacity to withstand climate change and natural calamities. Public engagement is essential to democratic and accountable government decision-making processes. Let's create an Indonesia that is affluent and just for future generations.
This is a quote from Joko Widodo, who had knowledge, understanding, and ability in his field, from which we can take the positives, leave the unnecessary, and prepare ourselves for a better future.